This is a final video to fix your Android phone not showing video through USB-C to HDMI. And it works faster than anything else you've tried. Are you struggling with your phone not connecting to your TV or monitor? This usually happens because many Android devices block video output by default, or the cable and port aren't fully compatible, and most online solutions are long, confusing, or require extra apps that don't always work. On Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that gets your phone to send video to any screen in seconds without extra software. All you need is to check your phone's display settings, enable USB-C video output, and make sure your cable supports video transfer, and it will just work. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do. So comment below and I'll guide you through it.